is Alex. He just got a Roblox gift card. But there's a problem. He doesn't know how to redeem it. If you're stuck and need a quick solution, let's walk through the steps together. First, log into your Roblox account on the official website. Make sure it's the account you want to add the credit to. You can't transfer it later. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your Roblox balance. From there, select Redeem Roblox Codes. On this page, you'll see a box to enter your gift card code. If you have a physical gift card, carefully scratch off the silver panel on the back to reveal the code. If it's a digital card, copy the code from your email or receipt. Now, type the code into the box. Double-check it for any typos, agree to the terms, and then click Redeem. And there you have it. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know the credit has been added to your account. Just like Alex, you're now ready to enjoy your Robux or spend your credit on awesome in-game items. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing for more quick guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.